Yes.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning. Good morning,
Morning,
all
ma'am.
children. Good morning. So we started with a new chapter, no, perimeter and area, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We studied some formulas also. Can you tell me what is the perimeter of a rectangle, Sian Fatima? Perimeter of a rectangle, Sian?
Yes, ma'am.
Perimeter of a rectangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
Ma'am,
perimeter
can I say?
of a rectangle. What is it?
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait.
Ma'am.
2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus P. Okay, Adi Dev, tell me what is the area of a rectangle?
Area of a rectangle is L plus B.
Length into breadth.
Sorry, L
Length into breadth. Length into breadth. Okay, Aaron Jomi.
into
Aaron Jomi is there. Aaron. Aaron Jomi, can you answer? No. Ihan, what is the perimeter of a square?
L plus L.
4 into one side.
4 into one side.
One
See,
side.
when I'm asking the formula, don't say the derivation of that and all. It is L plus L plus L. All sides are L, isn't it? All the sides are same measurement. So 4 into one side, isn't it? Okay. Next, Michelle, what is the area of a rectangle?
Length into breadth.
Length into breadth. And what is the area of a square? As
Side into side.
side into side. So these formulas we have revised, and we are doing the problems based on that. So second question you write. Children, this is the second question. Write down. Question number 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Write down the question, then we have to answer it. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. So what we have to find out? Adi Dev, can you tell me?
Ma'am, it is area of square. So
We have to find
area
the area of a square. So what we want actually here, what we have, we should have.
ma'am, area of a square.
We have to find out area of a square park. So
Yes,
for that,
yes.
what we have to find out first? We need
Side
what
into
is
side.
side into side. So we should find out what is the measure of one side, isn't it?
Yes.
So what is given, children? Here, what is given to us?
3 meter.
Yes.
Ma'am, 320 divided by 2.
Perimeter is given. Perimeter is 320 meter. So what is Nivedita? What is the perimeter of a square? Formula.
Ma'am, perimeter of a square is
Ma'am,
4
side
into
to side.
side.
4 into one side, isn't it? 4 into one side is equal to 320 meter. So what is the measure of length of one side?
320.
Nivedita?
Ma'am, me?
Ah,
Ma'am, side into side.
length of, no, 4 into one side is 320 meter. So what is the length of one side?
320 by 4.
By 4, divided by 4. So you will get, when you divide
80
the 4, how many
80
times in
meter.
32? 8 times. 4 into 0, 0. So answer is
80 meter.
meter. One side is 80 meter. So Adi Dev, can you tell me what is the area of the square now? One side is 80. So area of the square will be what?
Side to side.
Side into side.
Side into side.
So answer is 80 into
80
80.
into 8.
What is that?
1600.
How much?
Ma'am,
What is 80 into 80?
Ma'am, 1600.
What is 8 into 8?
Ma'am, 6,400.
8 into 8 is 64, isn't it? Then 0, 0. Meter square. Area, meter square.
6,000.
6,400
400.
meter square is the area, not 16. How did you calculate it? Did you add? You added, Rehan. It is multiple.
Not me.
18.
Ma'am, it's not me.
Then who said?
It's not me.
Ma'am,
Michelle.
Michelle.
Michelle, it is 6,400 is the answer. Okay, next one. Can I rub the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is, find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land. Rectangular plot of land. If its area is 440 meters square. If its area is 440 meters square. Then, and the length is 22 meters. And the length is 22 meters. Also find its perimeter. Also find its perimeter. Okay. So what is that, children? Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land. If its area is given. No, what is the shape of the? Write down the question, then I'll ask you.
I'm rectangle.
What is Harin? What is the shape of the land?
Rectangle.
Rectangular shape, isn't it? So there is a rectangular shaped plot and plot of land, and what is given?
Find if its area is.
Area is given, isn't it? Its area is given. So its area is given.
Length in the breadth.
That means length into breadth is given. L into B, length into breadth is equal to 440 meters square, isn't it? So area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is given as
Ma'am, I can't hear.
440 meters square. That is length into breadth. 440. Now, what is length given? Length is given. Length of the rectangle is 22 meters.
22 meter.
So 22 into breadth is equal to 440. So what is breadth, children?
Ma'am,
Transpose.
440 by 22.
440 by 22. How much it is?
Ma'am, 20.
20. 22 into 2, 44. So we will get 20 as answer. 20 meter. Breadth. So we got breadth, isn't it? Find the breadth. That is the first question. Breadth is equal to 20 meter. What is the next question? Anlin, what is the next question asked?
Ma'am, don't erase. I'm writing. Yes, ma'am.
What is the next question?
To find the perimeter.
Perimeter, isn't it? So we
Ma'am, to
have to
find the
find the
perimeter.
perimeter. So we got length is 22 and breadth is 20. Length is 22, breadth is 20. Length is 22, breadth is 20 we got. So we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. How will you find out, Anlin? Come on. Anlin.
Yes, ma'am.
Perimeter of the rectangle. What is the formula?
Ma'am, we want to add.
What? Tell me the formula for perimeter of a rectangle.
Ma'am, L plus B.
Hmm.
We want to add 22 by 20.
No, you tell me what is the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle?
L into B.
No, this is what I told. Don't confuse with area and perimeter.
And
And how do you
tell
find the perimeter?
12 plus 2.
2 into length plus breadth.
When you forget, you just think. Perimeter means what? All the sides you have to add, isn't it? So for a rectangle, two times length is there, 2 times breadth is there. So 2 into L plus B. 2L plus 2B. Think like that. That formula you study that. You're confusing. 2 times L, 2 times B. So we have 2 into L plus B, isn't it? L plus B. So that is equal to 2 into length is 22, breadth is 20. So find out the answer.
Ma'am.
And find out and tell me.
Okay.
84 meter.
84 meter, isn't it? Because 2 into, what is this? This is 42. 2 into 42. So you will get 84 meter. Perimeter is 84 meter. Same way, next question is of a square that you do it as rectangle only, same thing. You do it as homework, children. Question number 4. Okay. Question number 4, you can do yourself homework. I'll give you some other homework also. Number 5.
Page number.
Number 5. What is the page number, children? Those who have the text, please tell me. Exercise number 11.1.
208.
How much?
208.
208.
208. Page 208. Question number 4 and 5. That is easy. You can do it. 4 and 5. Question number 4 and 5. Do it as homework. Okay. Same type problem. Next question. Next one is question number 6. Can you read it? Michelle, read that question loudly.
A wire in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape encloses more area.
Yeah. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. So I'm not writing the question, children. It's there in the text. You write it in the lecture note. Okay. It's a lengthy question. So what is told is this one. Length, the wire is in the shape of a rectangle now. The wire is made into a rectangle, shape of a rectangle, and its length is 40 centimeter, breadth is 22 centimeter. This is the measurements given. These are the measurements given. Length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter of a rectangle. It's a rectangle now, wire. The rectangle is made with the wire. And after some time, the same wire is used, that is rebent. Rebent means bent once more. It is again bent to form a square. Bent to form a square. And so what is asked? What will be the measure of each side? What will be the measure of each side of the square? So how will you, and how can you find out? Think and tell me the method. Same wire is rebent and made into a square. Think yourself. Same wire. So here first it is in the form of a rectangle. After some time, the same wire is made into a square. So something will remain same, no? What is that? Same wire is used. See, when it is...
Ma'am, the area?
Ma'am,
No, area can change, no?
Ma'am,
According to-
Ma'am, the perimeter.
perimeter, because same wire is used, children. How will you find the perimeter of this rectangle? The wire is only this much. So this side, I'll color it. Another color I'll use. Okay. So listen. What is the length of total length of the wire will be equal to what? This plus this side plus this side plus this side, isn't it? That is the total length of the wire. What is the meaning of that when you add all the sides? This is 40 and this is 22. You know that rectangles opposite sides are equal. So the total length of the wire is equal to perimeter of the rectangle. Do you agree with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? So we can find total length of the wire. So first step, total length of the wire. Write like this. First step you write perimeter of the square, perimeter of the rectangle, that the same will be equal to perimeter of the square, isn't it? Same wire is used to make the square. Children, did you understand? Perimeter of the square, isn't it? Because we are using the same wire to make the square with same length. So if you bend that same wire and make a square also, its total length, there is no change, right? There is no change in its
Yes,
total
ma'am.
length.
Yes, ma'am.
So total length means what? Adding
Square.
all the sides. That means it is the perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangle is same as the perimeter of the square, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So we can find the perimeter of the rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle formula? Yes,
Two
I'll
into-
call Michelle. What is the perimeter?
2 into length plus
2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length plus breadth is equal to what? Perimeter of the square. What is the perimeter of the square? Vivian?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, side into side.
4 into 1
Oh.
side. 4 into 1 side.
That's what I told. Don't confuse with the formulas. 4 into one side. Perimeter only I'm asking, not area. So 2 into L plus B means 2 into how much? Karin,
22 plus
2 plus
40.
40. That is equal to 4 into one side. Then here what you will get? 4 into 2 into 62, isn't it? That it is equal to
124
124.
124.
24.
124 is equal to 4 into one side. So what will be one side, measure of one side?
Ma'am, 124 by 4.
124 divided by 4.
So 4 into side, one side is equal to 124. So side is equal to how much?
31 centimeter.
124 by 4. Answer S is equal to 31 centimeters. So we got the answer, isn't it? The question was, what will be the measure of each side? So we can write the measure of each side is equal to the measure of each side is equal to 31 centimeters. Now, one more question is there in that. Which shape encloses more area? So we have to find the area of both figures. You do it and tell me now. Last question, you do it. Also find which shape encloses more area. Which shape contains more area. Do it. Area of the rectangle and area of the square.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I think I got it.
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, area of the square is greater than of the rectangle.
Is it? So what is the area of the square, children? Area of the square
Area
is
of the area of the square is
is
equal
equal to side into side,
side
isn't
into
it?
side.
Yes.
So
Side into side. That is equal to
31 into
31
31.
31. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 961 centimeters.
961 centimeter square area. Then
Then rectangle area equals L into B.
It is
yes,
880.
So 40 into 22.
1 minute. Rectangle is equal to L into B.
L into
L
B.
into B. So that is
880 centimeters.
40 into 22.
40 into 22.
So
So
88 centimeters square.
80, 88.
88
into,
centimeters square.
40 into 22. 880. 880 centimeters square. Isn't it? So which one have more area or less area? What is the question? More area. Which
More area.
encloses more area? So square encloses
Square
more.
has-
Yes. Square encloses more area. So the concept is clear to you. When something is, when a wire is bent to form it in another shape, the length of the wire remains the same because, isn't it? Because same wire we are using. So its perimeter remains the same. If it is made into a circle also, perimeter, that is the circumference remains the same. Now, next question. That is easy, no children, that you can do as homework. Question number 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Just read it. Nivedita, please read that question.
Ma'am, 7th question.
Yes, yes.
The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter.
Perimeter is 130 centimeter. Rectangle. So 2 into L plus B.
If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, find its length. Also find the area of the rectangle.
Yes. So if you get length and breadth, you can find the area. Isn't it? From this, how will you find the length, children? How will you find this? So you know, perimeter is given 130. Perimeter means what? 2 into L plus
2
B.
into L plus B.
Then 2 times 2 into L plus B, B is given, 30 is given. So 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 130. So how will you find first which number you will remove? Equations, simple equations. Okay. Everywhere you will find the application of simple equation, children. Which number? Anlin? Aradhya. Okay, Aradhya didn't answer. Aradhya, can you tell me which number you will remove from left side in this case? There is a bracket. So first, what you will remove?
L plus 30.
Oh, no, you cannot remove that because it is multiplied by 2.
Ma'am,
So
we
which is-
remove 2.
2. You bring 2 to the other side. Transpose 2 to the other side. So L plus 30 will become 130.
130 by 2.
Is multiplied here, numerator here. So when it is taken to the other side, it becomes denominator.
Denominator.
130 by 2, you know, 2 6 are 12. Balance 1. 2 5s are 10.
65.
Divide, that's what I have divided it. 130 by 130 by 2. So just divide and see 130 by 2, 2 6 are 12. Balance 2 5s are 10. So you will get 65 as answer. So answer is 65. Now how will you find L from this?
Ma'am,
I
65
have to
minus 30.
Minus 30. So L is equal to, length is equal to how much?
35 centimeter.
35 centimeters. Now you got length. Breadth is given, no? Breadth is what? 30. Now it is easy to find the area, right? So what is the area? Area of the rectangle is equal to
L into B.
B. That is equal to, you have 35
35
and
into
30.
30.
So what is the answer? Find out.
$950.
No?
Ma'am,
1005.
1000. No.
1000. Read the number carefully.
1050.
1050.
1000.
Okay. 1050 centimeters square, children. Understood? Multiply
ma'am.
properly. 1050 centimeters square will come. Area. Centimeter square. The area of the rectangle is last step, right? Area of the rectangle is equal to 1050 centimeters square. 1050 centimeters square. Over.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Hello, Ajol. Now I can see a cat only. Where are you? Switch on your video. Don't keep cat. I want to see your face. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Adidev became Sri Krishna, Lord Krishna. Adidev, I want to see your face, not idols. Come on. Yes. Okay, Abhinav Sarjan, where are you? Sitting in darkness. Come out. Okay, Stina Shijo, what is the area of a rectangle? Stina. No, Stina, I'm asking. Stina never answers. Stina, what is the area of a rectangle? Anna, Stina, you are not answering any of the questions. I won't put attendance. Anna, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Area of a rectangle. We are only applying two formulas here. Area and perimeter of only two figures. That is rectangle, one is square. So what is the area of a rectangle?
It's length into
Length into breadth.
Length into breadth. Okay. So what about the next question? Yes, Vivian, can you read the next question? Next
Ma'am, I
question.
don't have the textbook.
Okay. Okay, those who have the text, Ehan Rafi,
Yes,
you have the text with you?
Yes.
Okay, read that question. Last
Can
one.
I
One
read?
more. Yes, one more question only. Read it.
Okay.
Yes, read.
A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is tall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of the whitewashing the wall. If the rate of the whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square.
Okay, who read it? Ehan. Ehan only read, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So a door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. So that door, length and breadth of the door is given. This is about the door. Okay, length and breadth is given. And next one, the length of the wall is 4.5 and the breadth is 3.6. So it will be like this, children. This is the wall. Let this be the wall, and its breadth is 3.6 meter and length is 4.5 meter. Now there is a door here. Its door. There is a door and its length is 2 meter and breadth is 1 meter. Now the question is, find the cost of whitewashing the wall. If the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. Here how much space we have to whitewash? Children, what we have to find out here? Area or perimeter?
Area.
Area. Because we are whitewashing the surface, isn't it? Now, how much area? Door we are whitewashing. Are we whitewashing the door?
No, ma'am.
No, only the wall, isn't it? So first what we have to find out, second what we have to find out, and what to do? Tell me, anybody can say?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, we have to find the area of the wall and area of the door, and we have to subtract the area of the door from the wall.
Very good, very good. Okay, because full area of the wall we can find out. Length and breadth of the wall is given, no? So area of the wall. Area of the wall you find out. Don't do it now. Do it at home. Area of the wall. I'm just giving the clue. 4.5 into 3.6. Children, you will get the answer. Huh? Next, what you have to do? You have to find the area of the door. Area of the door. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Of the door. You will get it as 1 into 2, isn't it? Length into breadth. Now, both are rectangles. You have to take it as rectangles because length and breadth is different. So, rectangles. Now, we want to whitewash only the wall, no, not the door. So, area of the door we have to subtract from area of the rectangle, area of the wall. Okay, area of the door we have to subtract from what? From the full area of the wall. So it will come like this, area to be whitewashed. Whitewashed. That is equal to what? This 4.5 into 3.6, you will get some number. That minus 1 into 2, 2. Isn't it? 2 meter. Meter square. Area. So first do with the numbers. You will get the answer. Then one number you got, no? Then what is given? For whitewashing 1 meter square, it is 20 rupees. So for whitewashing that much area, multiply by 20, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
You have done such problem.
ma'am,
Yes.
what is written in the third line first word? What is
Area to be whitewashed.
area?
Area to be whitewashed. Okay, children, I'll take your attendance. Time is up. Area to be whitewashed is what? Full area of the wall minus area of the door. So you will get the area to be whitewashed. That area for 1 meter square, 20 rupees. So for that much area, how much rupees you have to find out. So do it as homework. Okay, it's easy for you. I'll take the attendance now. So clear, children, that set of problems I have completed. Next, we'll go for perimeter, area of a parallelogram. Next period. Yes. Any doubt? No,
ma'am.
okay. Somebody called me. That's why I'm asking. Who's it? 7C is